Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sandy and I am the founder of Love You Candle Co. And I know it's been a minute. I've received your messages, your DMs, your emails, and I want to tell you thank you so much for checking up on me. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. I can't believe how many of you actually were concerned, and honestly that warms my heart. To all you new subscribers, welcome to my space. I know that you've seen my old videos. You haven't seen any of new content because I haven't filmed anything. But first, I wanted to kind of give you guys a little update of what's been going on as to why I haven't been filming and what's been going on with me. So without further ado, let's get started. So I kind of took a break from filming. I didn't take a break from the business, but I did take a break from filming, only because filming itself is a job on its own, and it's not just me getting in front of the camera. It's actually, you know, it takes a lot because it's filming, kind of like putting together content I'm going to talk about, also the editing of the video and everything. So once the holiday season hit, I was just focused on my fall and winter collection, and it took a lot of work because I was getting a lot of wholesale orders and I needed to focus on that, so I didn't have time to film. And then once the new year came in, it's kind of like I took a 2-week break from everything because I needed to kind of reset. But then tax season started, and I don't know if some of you don't know, maybe you don't, I don't think you guys know, but I do work full-time. I actually am a senior accountant for a record label, and right now we're in tax season, so it requires a lot of my attention, and a lot is going into that. So I had to put a break on filming. Also, I am doing the taxes for my own business. So there's a lot that goes into that requires my attention. So therefore I have to kind of pick and choose, okay, where are my priorities when it comes to my business? What do I need to focus on? And it's not that I don't care about YouTube. Obviously I want to share content with you guys, but I need to take care of other things that are very time sensitive, for me to go ahead and move forward with something else. So the other part that I wanted to share with you guys, and sorry if I sound all over the place, but I do have a lot of thoughts. Nothing that I say on here is scripted. Everything is just pretty much organic of how I'm feeling or what are my thoughts. So what I did want to share with you guys is after 2 full years being in business, I am ready for a rebranding. And guys, I am so excited because I'm actually doing the rebranding the right way. I did hire a branding team from Resolutions Design, and I'm going to put right there at the bottom in the description the link to their website. And I pretty much am doing the whole entire step of the rebranding, and I can't wait to share with you guys more details about it. That will be a video of what went on into my rebranding, but so far it's a lot of fun, and it's allowing me to tap into those sides of my creativity that I did not even know were there. Branding is so important, and branding, you know, at the very beginning, if you can't do it, that's okay. But if you have if you are financially in a good place where you can invest into branding, I would highly recommend it because it just makes your whole brand and everything look more cohesive. And the reason why I decided that it was time to rebrand is because I have been doing a lot of wholesale orders behind the scenes, and honestly I felt like I wanted my brand just needed that that new touch. I felt like my brand was ready for the next step, and I felt like it was time, and I'm like, what better time than now? So I kind of went through a whole bunch of different feelings about it, because at first I was like, well, I'm gonna start all over again. And the more I thought about it, I'm like, no, it's not starting all over again, because starting from scratch is when you don't have any customers, you don't have any clientele, nobody knows about you. But I have already established my name, not just in the industry, but to my clientele. So I thought, okay, what better time than to do it now? If I don't do it now, I'm never gonna do it. The next thing that I wanna work on, and it's a project that's gonna be aside from the candle business, I do want to launch a podcast. I'm not gonna tell you right now what it's about, but it is coming. I am working on it. And that's kind of like another project that I have going on. A lot of people tell me, Sandy, how do you do everything? Because I am a mom, I do have kids, I am a wife, I also work, but I also have other side projects. So I've been very kind to myself. I take a break when I need to. And I think that the most important thing that I wanted to focus on this year was, one, my rebranding, but also doing something as a side project to pay it forward. And that is more or less what I am working on with this new podcast. So I just wanted to briefly update you guys what's going on. And I can't wait to share more with you guys about the rebranding. I feel like it's so far I'm having a lot of fun with it. And I can't wait to show you guys. So for right now, my timeline may change, but so far my relaunch date with the new branding, I'm thinking is going to be around April, May. So around those months, but I will update you guys more in the future as to what's gonna happen. So what I'm gonna ask you guys now is to do not forget to comment any questions that you may have. I do answer them in a timely manner. Also, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it. Also, let me know what you guys want to see more on my channel. Like, what is it in your business that you're struggling with or you want to know more about? That way I can go ahead and help you guys. So it was great. I'm back. I'm here. I promise there is more content coming. I'm not gonna go ghost. I'm not gonna take a long hiatus. I promise myself that I'm gonna put more content out, and I am gonna do that. So thank you for watching, and can't wait to see you guys back.